Hello, everybody. Una well done this afternoon, this Saturday. I just decided to come and I can give you another talk. Now, maybe EcoStar International. I greet everybody. Now, wow, this coronavirus will just come as well. Just put everybody for panic. Everybody begin to panic. I know say serious matter. For where China for come break one big disease, break come out now. All the whole world just the shake. They announce me everybody enter as they close schools and many gatherings. That is place like bar, discotheque and everything not to go for this side. You know, say for Netherlands here, for Netherlands, even the Prime Minister came out yesterday and told us, say, why would they buy the food like that? Why? With the charter food they put for us? Say, food boku. I just got they really imagine the thing. Say, we dey buy the food, and most food na expiry date dey. Most food now, for example, now you call the chopper, the food not go finish. It go finish. So the Prime Minister come tell us say food dey boku, no be war. One way they play bo. Even like Afghanistan, where that kind of war that time, they still they carry food go they give them. This one not be war. They will just pack all the food. Especially people where they buy tissue paper. Tissue paper will just finish. What do I use tissue paper do? To tell they go toilet now and they fight for tissue paper. Other people where you see they pack food for us. It's reasonable. Say okay, but that food go expire. Food go finish. You understand? Assume he said the thing can't read the tough. And Prime Minister, Netherlands Prime Minister come out, come talk and say, he don't see any need for it. I said, it's true. He don't see any need for it at all. He announced it yesterday. And moreover, self, tissue paper one they pack put for house. Una the one chop am. I don't know. Una one chop the tissue paper one they find una one pack put for house. Una one chop am. Now I tell like them, or they even they use and make joke because the way people tell they buy things for supermarkets. They make me say, me play this one. Mona still see am. Mona still see what I dey talk about. Because me myself, now the normal and even the panic. Because I know definitely they go see the cure. They go see the cure. Many diseases there where we don't even notice for Nigeria. Especially like cancer. You know how many people cancer they kill for Nigeria where they not even the cure. You know how much it costs to cure cancer for abroad for a year? You know how much to cure them? Many not even know what it be cancer. Where the person go sick, he die. You don't know the sickness. They talk say na typhoid, na malaria, na this for Africa. Yes. Other sicknesses there. They will get high blood pressure, they'll say na typhoid. Diabetes, they'll say na typhoid. Cancer, bakpa. You know how much to treat that one? That one they keep people, they go sleep, they will not wake up, they will just die comot. Even for abroad now 50-50, they take the cure. So no they fit. Some go get her for breast. They go call one of the breast, it go enter the other one, they go cut the two breasts. Some go still die. So it go enter a bone. So go enter, depends. I don't see who they announce. You just go, your cough, small cough, blood come out. Now so you go hospital for Netherlands, yeah. Say a cough, blood come out. As it just come out, now they go check out. They say you get cancer. Do you know the thing wey come even strong for side? They say now 1 month it go stay. I think say na joke. They say 1 month now you go take survive and you go die because it didn't come on time. You understand? The cancer don't chop am inside body finish before it go. Really, before the 1 month, now you read die. You think say they not treat am? They put machine and everything for your body. It died. Yes, me they tell you, sickness is boku for that Africa. We Africa not even they go test. Ordinary if you they sick, go test. Go do test before you put medicine. So now they agree they go spend money, they go do that test. They know they do. They'll go they buy paracetamol, the cheap malaria. They'll go they make agbo. They'll go they make this one to cure. And this one will come and they talk say, you know, the cash Africa person. You know, the cash Africa person. Hey, my God. Sickness, they will know the cash Africa person. Even though the cash Africa person, now they'll come, they can't the Africa person come and say, cash this one, cash this one. It's like a racist thing now, where they have to bring them out like that. For Netherlands, we have different people where black like also. Like the Italians, they're black like also. The Suriname, some black like also. So now just to say all those ones now, you don't affect them. How can you, majority of people where they abroad, not be white there be. How many black there among us where they abroad where they did? For example, for Italy, now let's make example. How many black people there? I be Italy not be white people country now day. Everybody they use that they find you black way cash, black way cash. So you mean say you go cash one black now that black person they will come they concern about. When the sickness they deal with directors, tough people, get their country, directors, lawyers, even doctors, CEOs, managers. Hey, maybe one black now cash one black now. I bet more premo no cash us, eh? You can cash one black now where they will bring the paper come and ordinary surgeon, or maybe not even they pay a health insurance joiner. You sure say they'll bring that one. They'll put that from one corner. They'll come go put that this big machine for your body. You not just believe that one. You can't leave a whole big CEO where they bed. Nigeria people. I don't know Africa people. Not be only Nigeria, Africans. The one that they think they different though. I pray oh. Hey? Any sickness they will not the cash black people. You know say the moment you don't live in the country like this, you are more than 2 years, only 2 years or 3 years, now 2 years, you can't travel. Why did they say will they take vaccination before you go Nigeria, African country where mosquito? Because mosquito don't come bite your skin for how many years now? When you go there, the small mosquito will go bite you now, so your sickness go come. It go dry your blood now, death they go so. If you not quit for treatment, need they tell una so. Coronavirus, you know you carry black, you know you catch black. Oh my God, who told you that? Una say the doctor wey don't announce like that. You know they carry black until you come announce and say carry one particular person where they near you or where you know. I reject some Mosha. Una they go for test. If not be the way they do the test, say okay, this disease there. Nigeria they agree go test. Where they push, they say go test. They say oh na typhoid and other many type of sicknesses there where they kill them. Tomorrow they say na wish. Sleep where no wake up. But see, if you get high blood pressure, you not take off yourself. You go sleep, you know wake up, you die. Not be wish. Not be wish kill the person. Sugar also. You can't get kidney problem. I better not be doctor. Wanna go look and where. Read about it. Now make me. They always try to read everything. Me, I know where to be the causes and all. One time when I find that cancer thing, I was so curious because anything about cancer, I never hear and malaria. Now I grow come the year for Nigeria. Yes, for Africa, malaria, typhoid, malaria. Until I can't reach abroad now, I can't say, hey, cancer there exists. Is this for real? That's why I go everything because they know what it be cancer. What is the causes? What is the symptom of cancer? Yes. How many of you don't sit down to look and say, how come about this? Is it true? The found coronavirus, so you know, they affect black. Okay. And they wait me if I affect one of now. Before now no so now prevent yourself well. You know they affect black. Why they never go and answer for CNN, BBC World? Okay, now it's free. You black people can walk around. You know they affect you. And moreover, you know they affect black. Una way marrow a bone call, you go carry Congo give your children for us. Or your husband or wife for us. You know they affect black. Una not prevent yourself well. Because una don't get time. Una see white now, they turn to black. Una see black now, they turn to white. Now this one, the ignorance with the key with Africans. The ignorance with the. Una just see white, so una no say na white. Una begin they turn use una mat, they change them to black. Una see black, una they use una mat, want to change them to white. My people, I beg. They say prevention is better than cure. More than prevent on ourselves. All this, now white people disease. Now white people, they cash black. More than remove them from our head. The one where Africa we first, they never see go fit cure. Ordinary malaria where medicine full everywhere for Africa, especially Nigeria. No good medicine, no good tablets. No good tablet. Even good tablet go there. They go say more na buy. If una not they let una put una money. Una not the fear the go ordinary test. Go and do test before treatment self. Many not they go. Una say una know the sickness where they worry una. I just pray make this one not really enter Africa. This kind disease, cholera disease enter Nigeria. Thank God they said the climate, ordinary the climate, not go allow the corona disease to stay that country because it's too hot for the disease. The virus is too hot for the virus. If not, you know how many go die. So go even know say now the coronavirus you get, you go say na typhoid. He go even they convince doctor they say that virus. He go even they convince the doctor. He go say no na typhoid than me. He go they convince the doctor say na typhoid, not be coronavirus. And now they kill and they go because now almost the same symptom they talk. Typhoid they kill people now. Malaria they kill people because if you don't take care of yourself or treat yourself very good, you will die. Many sicknesses, sickness dey. Many sickness, ifu grand where they kill for Africa. But here for our brother, we fit cure am, no problem. Because of lack of knowledge, ignorance. Now they kill many people for that Africa where we dey soon. You see, so we need to change our mindset, our way of thinking, especially those who even did their abroad. Say now they even come even worse. Their way of thinking, I'll just imagine, are they for real? Oh yeah? Are they for real? They say now white people, we here. Nigeria, that malaria not supposed to kill because we don't get good treatment for it. No good medicine. I never hear for abroad malaria kill one person for a year because even though you carry and come, they go cure you. Ordinary tablet they'll give you. For Nigeria, they'll give you injection. The medicine not they work anything. So Mona just pray. That math Mona they change black to white, the white to black. So I beg. Mona not using a math take carry and enter that country because many will die. Thousands of thousands will die for nothing. And many people they die there because of typhoid fever, malaria. Una know. Even cancer, many other diseases there, many other sickness there, full ground. I want to use my draw this one. The key black. Okay, until the thing knock for now. Now do well though. Just breathe this matter out. I build this tissue paper. Not be go solve matter. People they where they use water, they wash their nails that way they wash it. Now tissue paper be the matter now. Food we pack for us. Food don't go finish where you the shop on. I be you pack for there for decoration. You must sit on now. Even most food where they abroad now, date day, especially date fuller. If fuller. So our prime minister can't tell us say no need. Even the one where this man can't do. May I play a very funny? I bet now the truth night talk. Wanna listen. Very truth and funny. Wait an answer. Make I play and make everybody hear.
Ja, goedemiddag.
He said good
Vooral die hamsters
good
die
afternoon.
Max de kont niet meer kunnen afwegen het weekend. Vanwege het coronavirus.
He said those of now where they say where they panic, they buy things put for us because of coronavirus. Because they laugh.
Ik denk dat we nog genoeg hebben.
He said, he thinks that we have, me I talk at you. He said he think we say they get enough. And I did the video where they do tissue paper. It's just a video, the fabric where they do tissue paper. So, Mona say only one fabric. Oh. Now the warehouse now they show. Now maybe other warehouse there where they store, put where they store. He said they get enough. Well, you see, everywhere na tissue paper. Una see,
Oh, mensen.
he said, oh, my people. Una see,
Doe maar veel wc-papier kopen, mensen. Dan mag ik lekker wat overuren terwijl jullie allemaal thuis bent.
he said they get enough toilet paper or buy. He said more they buy more toilet paper so that he go they work extra work. He go they get more money for his side pockets. That's what he talk. He said they get. Let me play it again.
Ja, goedemiddag.
He said good afternoon.
Er is vooral die hamsters, die bang zijn dat ze de kont niet meer kunnen afvegen het weekend.
He said the people where they.
Virus.
He said the people where they buy things put for tissue paper put for where if he said they don't see paper take clean their nyash because of coronavirus.
Ik denk dat we nog genoeg hebben.
He said he think that they have enough. Yeah, they have enough. Now the warehouse is the video where everybody they see so wanna see and where the warehouse where tissue paper there boku. All one warehouse with this so and not be all the old places with video for us. We can't last. He said my people. Now see as big as this warehouse now.
Doe maar veel wc-papier kopen, mensen.
Okay.
Dan mag ik lekker wat...
He said my people more they buy more tissue paper. Well. He said more they buy more tissue paper. Well.
overuren terwijl jullie
So that he go they work extra time. They get more money put for pocket. Yeah, it's just laughing. Yes, yeah. Now where they buy tissue paper, you don't see the warehouse where tissue paper full well. Now you're back. You know how many type of fabric like this day? It did. No, another disease. And I pray that they'll fit bring out the medicine where go cure everything. Other diseases don't come among that this now. Where they'll fit cure, they'll go find the cure come out. Will continue to save many people's lives. Yes. See, they buy tissue paper. I don't understand. Now do well on this one. Say me, I just let you know this afternoon. Bye.